I think I'd be an excellent student engagement officer because I'm already heavily involved with lots of different associations with the university. I was part-time officer as a maturing student postgrad last year, and I'm also a student ambassador, and I also work for Inspire as the waste and recycling officer. So I know lots and lots of people, and I'm really passionate about getting students engaged with the university. I think there's a general apathy on Lampeter campus at the moment, with students not really getting engaged with all sorts of things. I'd like to see people volunteering more or getting more engaged with the community, the Students' Union and the university. More than anything, I need students' ideas on how they would like to get more engaged. I'd like to change people's perceptions on campus at the moment. There doesn't seem to be a lot of positive attitude towards the SU or the university. I want to show people that there are opportunities and to highlight student events. And if you vote for me, you get a free hug of BJ.